To loop over the list, we can use the while loop with index variable to keep track of the item in the list. And remember to increment the index variable at the end of the loop. Or it can be made more concise with for loop. We can declare a variable inside the for loop statement. Here we're naming it number, just like with the while loop. The number will be each item in the list and will be available inside the for loop. If you have a nested list, you can unpack them inside square brackets within the for loop statement. Here we're naming it city, state, and country. Just like the previous example, the variables will be available inside the loop. If you have items you don't need at the end of the list, you can group them together in a variable after the colon. Here we name it blah. And you can see that blah contains a list of blah blahs.